Hi guys, welcome to 2020. This is gonna be my first video for this year, which is gonna be an unboxing of the Corsair power supply unit, which is the 450M bronze. It's CS 450M bronze. I think the M is just for modular. It's not a full modular power pack. It's just I think it's half modular. Let's call it half modular. We have the one that is not modular, the cable and everything for the hard drives, and everything is coming out, and we have another one which is in between, whereby you have the power cable and the graphics card cable and the CPU cable that comes out, I believe. We're gonna check it out actually because it's gonna be the first half modular power supply that I'm going to be unboxing. And so let's get into the unboxing of this power pack. So guys, we have the power pack here. It's CX450M. This is 450 watts. You can get a 550, 650, and 600 or something like that. You got Corsair guarantee for 5 years. It's 80 bronze plus bronze, and this is the CXM series. They have the CXM 450 without the M. The M is just for modular, which means we got half modular power pack here. So it's not fully modular, and it's an ATX power supply. So yeah, we got the imprint, we got zip ties inside and screws, and where we have the power plug for the power plug, and here we have, being in a power pack, we have this for your drives, your peripherals, your drive SSDs, any of the new drives, both 3.5 that uses this now, just one cable. We have this for your GPU also. It's also one cable, not very bad. You can connect to GPU with just this one, so we have just one cable. We have the old-fashioned hard drive and CD-ROM drive, floppy drive. In case you still have those lying around and you want to use them in your system, you got one cable for it also. So it's here, and the power pack itself. One thing I like about it is that it's being braided. They braid it. You see, it's so nice to get a braided cable included in your power pack. So just like the one we did, the fractal design power pack we unboxed before, the ending is not totally finished braiding, so you can actually fold it in case you have a tight PC you want to work on. And I like the fact that they have these clips here that can actually hold it together. Unlike the other ones, there's nothing holding it together, it just fall apart, and when you're trying to insert it on a motherboard, you're having this problem inserting it. And this is the CPU power also, and it's also with the same connection, so it's 444 pins, so you can have the total of 8 by putting it together with that design I just showed you. Now you see, I don't know if you can see it very well, they have something like a clip that just brings them and hold them together, and much easier to use. And this is the power pack himself. Black, matte black, I guess. I like the switch. I'm a fan of just having a switch on and on switch behind, and all your information is here. And why would you need such a low power like 450? Sometimes when you're having a build that is just not so much for performing a very big task, and you don't have this crazy motherboard that needs so much power, this is also good enough for just building a simple PC build or PCB that is very simple. So these are where the modular cable goes in, as far as we have them. And yeah, this is for your peripherals. It's not braided. I would have loved it to be braided, but considering the price is being sold, it's not, which is okay. It's not totally too bad for the price. And yeah, like I said, from the other ones, you see they didn't do this one like that. I would have loved it to also be the same way as they did those ones. So it means they use some much expensive clips in the other ones, which in this one they didn't. So that is it. Braided cable, so nice. So in case you just don't want to spend, or you're not buying a fancy crazy motherboard, this is enough for you. We got about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 blades, fan, and you can see the inside. Guy, you know, I was thinking about something. Would you like to see me make or convert this fan to an RGB fan? If you'd love to see us doing a DIY, changing the fan in the power pack, putting in or installing an RGB fan, leave some comment down below in the comment section there. And if you have any question about the power pack, I'll be very glad to show you. And the fans are quiet. I've checked them. They're much quiet, not very loud. They are quiet. So it's a very good power pack for someone just starting a PC build. So guys, if you love this video or you just like videos like this, thumb down up or thumb down there. And if you want to see more of unboxing of power pack and stuff like this, guys, let me know in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please try to subscribe. And for all my subscribers, I wish you 2020 a good year to come, and I hope to see you in my next video. Odabo.